new music artist, Star PHI.
Hello everyone, I am Star PHI. Some of you may know me as Star Morisseau, the model, but I'm now an artist, so you can find my music anywhere that you listen to music as Star, S-T-A-R, PHI, P-H-I. PHI just like the Fibonacci, okay? So please look me up, give me some like, give me some love, and I hope you enjoy my music. I am doing them in English, of course French, English, and Creole, and also in Spanish. The reason I even started doing music is because I used to write poetry, and I felt like there is a lack of positive motivational music out there, and I wanted to be one among the little few that bring that out, to bring that to you all, okay? So I hope again you do tune in to my music, Star PHI, S-T-A-R, PHI, P-H-I. Bye, much love.